Hello viewers, as Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Days Festival are coming closer, many people have many questions in their mind. In this video, I will try to answer those questions asked by users on tablets. One of the users want to know, will iPad Air M2 come in sale and what price will be there without any bank offers? Definitely you will get offer on iPad Air M2, but if you don't have credit card, in that case that will be a very bad deal for you because you have to pay higher price. So without credit card, don't buy iPad Air M2. The best price for iPad Air M2 would be around 40 to 42,000 rupees. Another user want to know the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. I have made many videos and I have mentioned the price of this tablet, yet they are asking me this question. So the best price for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE would be around 18,000 rupees, and I think this will be the price in Amazon.in during Great Indian Festival. Another user wants to know the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus in BBD without credit cards. If you don't have credit card, in that case you have to pay the price of around 25 to 26,000 rupees, and with credit card you can get this under 23,000 rupees. Another user wants to know which tablet or iPad is best for long-term usage, iPad 10th generation or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. If you want regular software updates, smooth performance from the processor, in that case iPad 10th generation would be better for you for long-term usage. And another tablet, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, is also very good tablet. Here also you will get regular software updates, but in terms of processing I would say that iPad 10th generation is better than Tab S9 FE Plus. Another user wants to know the price of Oneplus Pad Lite, 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. I think the best price of this tablet would be around 10,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival. However, there are better options in comparison to this tablet. I think Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is better. Next, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE 128GB variant, in that case the best price for this tablet would be around 30,000 rupees. At present in Amazon.in you can buy this tablet at the best price of 37,857 rupees, but I don't think you should buy this right now. You should wait for Great Indian Festival and then you will grab the best offers on this tablet. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy S10 FE Plus, in that case the best price for the 128GB Wi-Fi variant would be around 40,000 rupees or less. Many people are confused between iPad 11th generation and iPad Air M1. During Big Billion Days sale, the price of these two devices will be kind of similar, but I think iPad Air M1 would be priced at around 36 to 37,000 rupees. On the other hand, if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case you can buy that iPad at around 26 to 27,000 rupees maximum. Next, if you want to buy Oneplus Pad 2 during Big Billion Days sale, in that case for the 256GB variant the best price would be around 33,000 rupees with Stylo 2.0 in the box. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me and I tried my best to answer these questions. If you still have any questions in your mind, feel free to ask me. The only condition is that you have to like the video and then ask your question. I will answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.